Okay, now let's move to some company interview question. First thing, like API LED architecture. So anyone want to explain what is API LED architecture? We discussed multiple time, I think.
Yeah, Ravi.
Yeah, you can tell me.
Yeah, in the LED architecture, we'll follow three-tier model like system layer, experience layer, process layer, and the system layer. We'll give the cloud to the client. We'll give the experience layer URL. Experience layer will hit the process API, and process API will hit the system API. System API will connect to third-party applications like database or Salesforce, and from there we will get the data. And again, the data will come back to process. We'll do the all the business logic. We'll write in the process API. From the process API, it will come to the experience API. We'll expose that to end user.
Yeah, different experience system, you can say. Yeah, fine. Yeah, and your answer is correct, and I can say perfect also. Okay. Now, next question. Everyone clear with this? Like what he answered? So his answer is perfect. Okay. So I can say he mentioned everything. Okay. One thing you can mention if you want to add few more points, then you can mention some advantage of this. Like it will help us to increase code reusability, even if some part of system, like if there will be any code failure, then it will break. It will only stops limited functionality of our entire application. So these two advantage you can add. Other things are good.
Yeah, sure, Ravi. Thanks.
Okay, next we have for each payload before and after. So just now we discussed like what will happen with for each before and after. So parallel for each very same thing. When to use scatter gather? When we have this parallel processing, then we use scatter gather. And if you want to give detailed answer, then we have discuss multiple scenario. In scatter gather, what will happen? We will get result as a payload of payload. So whatever branch will be there, so we will receive payload from each branch, and that combination will be our final payload. And how to access, you can tell them syntax also. So in this way, like you can increase 6 7 line, and your answer will be more perfect. Have you worked on MQ? Okay, so Q part actually, for each connector, I think in next session, maybe next week session, I will take almost 10 connector, and we will be focused on 10 connector only. We will discuss about more properties, more scenario based question. So connectors will be JMS, file, FTP, SFTP, HTTP, then database, Salesforce. So all these connector we will cover in one day, like entire 3 hour we will spend, and then only we will discuss this one also. What is dollar and double dollar? So it, like this value will change from scenario to scenario. Generally, in case of you can give like in map function. Better let me make it specific. So can anyone tell me what is dollar and double dollar in map function?
Key value.
Yeah. So first dollar will be value, and second dollar will be index. So it's a value index, not key value. In map object we have value, key, and index. But in map object we have value, key, and index. But in map function we have only value and index. So single dollar means value, double dollar means index. What are function you have used in database? Concat, substring, substring before, trim. Okay, so here we will discuss a few more functions. So let's discuss one by one. So concat function. So what it do? Concat function. Okay, let me break here database function in detail. So before starting this database function, let's take a 5-10 minute break, since this topic will be a bit topic only. So we will discuss frequently used function. Okay, so what is time right now? It's how much time we have left with? Oh, we are almost done. We had 15 minutes only. Okay, fine. So let's discuss few function. Okay, and then we will end our today's session.